Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp pop-up notification not available problem. So as you can see right now, I'm in my WhatsApp notification settings, and here we can see the pop-up notification grayed out or not available. So if you're also having this error on your Android phone, let's see how to fix these. So we are going to enable pop-up notifications from our Android phone settings app. So go to your settings app, and from your settings homepage, tap on notifications and tap on advanced settings. Here tap on floating notifications and select smart pop-up view. And here you can see receive notifications as icons that can be tapped and expanded in pop-up view. And tap on included apps and make sure to enable here WhatsApp. And now on, whenever someone sends you a message to your WhatsApp, you will get WhatsApp notification in pop-up view on your iPhone home screen or anywhere. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.